How's it going, everybody? Dorian here at Artisan Vapor Company. Today I'm showing the Smok Stick Princes. These are non-adjustable devices. They are unregulated, meaning as you fire the battery with the tank, the device will die and so will your hit. Now these devices here, they're as simple as, you just take the tank off here. It's simple as clicking it on 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll see it flash, and when you're vaping, you'll press it and hold. It's flashing right now because there's no tank on it, but I'm going to click 5 more times, and it is off. The tank that comes with the full-size Prince stick here is the Prince tank. Easy to fill. You just press this button here, and it slides right out. You're going to fill it on the outside hole here. I'm just going to close that up. There's an 810 style drip tip, so all you got to do is take it off if you want to change that out. To change the coil in this guy, all you got to do is hold on the metal pieces here and turn left on both sides. And there's your coil. We're just going to take the coil out just like that, just unscrews. And there's your base piece, as well as your top piece. The glass just comes right off. Let's put this back together real quick. And we have our tank back together. This tank does feature bottom airflow, which is adjustable. So you can see right through there. When you see the silver, it's cut off. You can cut it off quarter of the way, halfway, 3/4, or fully. The way it goes on the mod, it's a 510 thread, and it'll screw in just like this. So that's the full-size Prince stick. And over here, we have the baby Prince stick. Same concept, same design. The tank does screw off this mod as well. Same way you fill it, this is just the baby version. It does take a smaller coil, but those are going to be the baby beast coils, and these are going to take the M4 Prince coils. These are going to take the M2 baby beast coils. Thank you for watching. Mention that you saw this video and we'll give you 15% off in the store. Like this video and subscribe to our page. Hope to see you soon.